Diana, can you tell us a little bit about some of the experiences that the women have reported to you who've used some of these products?
I can. I've talked to women from all over the country, and their stories are basically the same. They went in for a simple procedure and came out with more medical problems and emotional problems as well.
Can you tell us a little bit about some of those medical problems that they've reported?
Yes, unfortunately, we have a couple of cases that stand out in mind. One lady went in for a bladder sling insert and to control her bladder problems and bladder control. And it wound up that when she came out from the surgery, she had more problems. The mesh eroded into her vaginal wall, and she had to have over 10 procedures to clip or trim that mesh erosion. She still has problems today.
Was she aware before she had the mesh inserted that there could be side effects like this?
No, her doctors seemed to indicate that this was a normal procedure and that actually the mesh was going to enhance the surgery.
I've heard that even some women had been told that it would be good just for preventative measures when they were having a hysterectomy, even though they weren't having some of those problems currently. Have you heard that?
Yes, absolutely. That is another situation that the doctors have told the patients that, and that actually the doctors felt that way.
And some of the doctors that I've talked to, they've reported to me that they feel like they were misled by the companies marketing these products because they weren't told of the side effects that had occurred in some of the studies that these companies had done, and that they are curious to find out through the litigation that we're bringing what these companies knew and when they knew it about these side effects, because it appears that they promoted these products for profit and that they put their profit incentive over women's health and safety, and the litigation should help us find out to what extent that occurred and to hold these companies accountable.
That's what we're hoping. Also, with these women, not only have they had their own personal problems and pain, but it's also affected their life with their partner. And a lot of these women can no longer have sexual relationships.
Some of the physicians I've talked to have reported that they can't get the mesh, they can't remove the mesh completely, and they really can't offer a solution or an end point to these women to solve this problem.
Yes, we've had many women who have gone back in for revision surgery, and the revision surgery, by that taking out the mesh, has not been successful.
Well, we hope we can get a good resolution for these women in the litigation to find the truth and to get them some compensation for what they're going through and what they will go through in the future.
That's our hope.